The foundation of 4 balls is 2 in one hand. You're probably going to make it go in a loop. See how these balls are going in a loop from the inside to the outside? Okay. So you're going to need to be able to do that. And then you're going to need to be able to do something with the other hand while you're doing this. The easiest thing to do with the other hand is probably to throw at the same time. Throw at the same time. Both hands throwing at the same time is called a synchronous throw. Now, get 2 going in one hand and try to find the space in between those 2 throws. See what I'm saying? There's another space in there. This is asynchronous. My 2 hands are not throwing at the same time. There's tons of cool tricks you can do that are variations of this. And if you're an entertaining person, you could probably do a whole juggling routine just with this kind of stuff. I am not an entertaining person, so the reason we loop them is so they don't hit each other. The other way to avoid them hitting is to do them in columns. You can see there's different places the columns could be. I'm going to try this one trick that's a 4-club trick that's kind of famous when you do it with 4 clubs. And boom, and boom, boom, and boom, and boom, and boom. Alright. Okay. So here it is asynchronous. There it is stretched out.
Side swap, what I did was
I threw a 3, which is the throw I'd make when I'm doing 3 balls, and I did a 5, which is the throw I'd make when I'm doing 5 balls. If I go 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5, I can actually do it with 4 balls, like this.
it's called a half shower or a rainbow or a high-low.
Or 4 balls the kind of hard way. It's a good trick. A cheating way. We all like to cheat. It is where I'm going to throw 2 balls at once from one hand and they're going to split. Boom, they split. They go into both hands. Okay, I'm going to have a ball on this, it's going to catch a second ball. Boom, now there's 2 here, I'm going to go boom and split. So I'm going to go, let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
End up, you'd never guess, but if you throw 2 balls, splitting them over and over, you have 5 balls. Okay. So we got asynchronous, we got asynchronous columns, we got multiplex, we have half shower, which needs a much better name, like The Great Rainbow. Triplex. And so in conclusion, there are many ways to juggle 4 balls, and I wish you luck. Send me a message if you have questions and or problems.